Saints, Bal Sangat has come a long way, and it reminds me of July 9th, 1977.
Wait a minute, Nancy ji. 1977? If I recall correctly, I think the Bal Sangat in New York metro area was started sometime last year in May 2011, right?
That's true, Neetaji. But this time I am talking about July 9th, 1977, when there was this huge samagam being held at Chandigarh. Baba Gurbachan Singh Ji Maharaj was residing, and he was so pleased and impressed by the small skit that the kids prepared, that in his vichar, verbatim, he said that these kids who have planted the seed will be a big fruitful tree one day. And within the time of 16 to 17 years, it will take a form of a huge fruitful tree.
Wow, what a blessing. Now I remember actually after 12 years of that, in 1989, the Bal Sangat, the wing was formalized in New Delhi, and after that the Bal Sangat was started all over the world with the blessings of Sadhguru. Right?
Indeed, we've come a long way.
That's right, Nancy ji. Do you remember actually about 3 years ago, I still remember that day when we had a very small group. I think there were
four of them.
Yeah, that's right. There were 4 kids, and the first song which they sang was
Babaji Mataji Dena Sahara Charanon mein beete ye jeevan hamara. And saints, from 4 they became more than 40, as you can see.
Right. Wow, what an exponential growth, Nancy ji. I wish the economy could grow the same way. Yeah, that's really amazing.
And Neetaji, do you remember the time when in Bal Sangat in the very beginning, like 3 years ago, when we started discussing the importance of Seva, we discussed the importance of Bal Sangat, we discussed the importance of Simran, importance of Charnamrit, importance of Dhan Nirankarji, and all of those. And then the question we put to them, that what's the significance of langar? And the reply, do you remember?
Yeah, I remember that actually. One of the initial weeks, one of the kids actually, he's answered that langar means free food. Yeah. And now if you ask them the same question, they will come back with so many good answers. They will say, it's a blessing of Babaji, it's a prasad, we should not really waste it. That's amazing. That's really
Neetaji, and you all will see that any time that these kids share anything in front of Sangat and seek your blessings, it's never with a piece of paper. And you know that the age that they are in, the first instinct is that here is the paper, all you have to do is read it. But no, saints, they themselves first understand what they are singing, what they are reciting as a poem, what they are reading in Avtar Vani. Not only they read, they understand. Remember, Neetaji, last week when we gave them an activity, we called it an Avtar Vani trivia. And in that,
actually they were given about 8 lines of the Avtar Vani, and they were to recite those lines, they memorized those lines, and they kind of explained everything from word to word. And we were kind of really scared and worried because 7 days were really a short span of time. But they did such a wonderful job. I was really amazed with that.
Yeah, that's true. They showed us, they recited the meaning of the sentence, the verse. Not only they said it in English, then they recited the verse back to Punjabi, the main language where it's written. For example, Har Hazare vich surat teri, har patte te tera naam, edhar udhar char chufere teri surat takta. And in their sweet tone, they would say, Har Hazare vich surat teri, har patte te tera naam. And like in their sweet voice, you could tell how much they care to come to Sangat and are ready to learn. And saints, I even remember Neetaji, Pujya Raj Mataji, on one of her visits, gave a special blessing to these kids.
That's right. Actually, Raj Mataji ने अपने शब्दों में कहा था कि जो बच्चे सत्संग के साथ जुड़े होते हैं, वो हमेशा जिंदगी में चमकते हैं और नाम पाते हैं.
That's true. And what a blessing from Holy Mother, saints.
That's right.
And saints, even in their own words and in their own song, they always sing, सत्संग से जुड़े बच्चे चले नेकी के रास्ते, सत्संग से जुड़े बच्चे चले नेकी के Saints, here's Bal Sangat for you in their own words. Would like to seek your blessings. Last in the Ji प्यार से कहना.
संगत जी प्यार से कहना जी. प्यारे प्यारे सतगुरु बाबा जी, प्यारे प्यारे सतगुरु बाबा जी, बचपन से हमें भक्ति सिखाओ. प्यारे 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 सतगुरु बाबा जी, प्यारे प्यारे सतगुरु बाबा जी, बचपन से हमें भक्ति सिखाओ.
और सतगुरु बाबा हरदेव सिंह जी महाराज की जय।